Welcome to JTNC pre-market weekly wrap-up of the prior week. Throughout the week, the pre-market reports for SPY reflected very dynamic market conditions and expectations. The spot price hovered around key levels as expected, presenting both bullish and bearish considerations, although we were in a call-dominated market. The week began with ambiguous pressure on Monday, February 12th, making the market very choppy. This is an hourly chart that you see here, so it smooths out the choppiness, but rest assured it was a tough trading day. We had clear direction above 502 or below 550. The day was expected to be choppy, requiring vigilance and looking closely for any indications of a definitive market direction. We did get that definitive market direction going into the close of the day. The overnight also fell all the way into February 13th of the open of the market. On February 13th, the spot price deteriorated significantly following a higher than expected CPI report. You can see that reflected in SPY here as well. The leading shift in bias was definitely to the short side. Potential downside targets were identified as 497, 492.50, and 490. An initial rally attempt was anticipated, and it looks like we got it towards the end of the day, and the strategy leaned towards selling near exhaustion points on this day. Moving into February 14th, the spot price showed a slight recovery from the previous day's sell-off, which is right here, reaching just over 496 by the end of the day. Key targets were 497.30 and 498.30, a little bit higher, while 494 and 490 were the areas of support. The overall tone remained bearish, with opportunities for short entries sought, even in the face of a potential early day market pop. On February 15th, an initial indecision was expected before a general move towards the upside targets, and that's exactly what we observed during the morning trading hours, as we were stuck right here around 500 for a few hours before capitulation right into our target, which is a great day. February 16th, closing the week out on Friday, the spot price approached 503, marking it as the all-time highs. Despite the broadly bullish environment, pre-market pressure due to a hotter than expected PPI news release created an expectation of potential downside pressure earlier in the day, which you can see right here off the open of the day pretty much. We also expected the possibility of a recovery later in the day due to the strong bullish sentiment among speculators. You can also see that happen here. We had a nice bullish run there into the afternoon, right below 503, which was our target. And then you saw some selling pressure, and then another test of 503. We didn't quite make it there, but we were able to call this out prior to this all happening.